Young Breakfast 7. But right now it's Young Breakfast 2 because my mom's recording and then it's just me. So Young Breakfast 2. And so, you guys, I'm going to be doing the water bottle flip challenge because I'm so good at it. I just discovered. Because I just got 12, I think it was. 15.
Good girl.
So yeah, now I'm going to do this. This. 1. 1. 1.
Just relax. Just relax. You got this. Game face.
Game face.
Yeah.
1.
No, honey, you can't have a donut. It's 10:30 at night.
1, 2, 3. One, 2, 3.
Give the $10 to the people
Four.
who go over there.
5,
Get like the little
6. So go to 6. 1. Oh gosh. I almost got it. Okay.
I love you.
Good night. Love you too,
2.
babe.
Love you. 3, 4.
Ooh. Don't do that. Control your anger, child. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh.
I want to do it on the chair.
1, 2, 3, 2.5.
Okay, come over here. I want to do it on the table. Okay. 1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.